Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. And I think you must be enjoying my videos at home. Children, today we will discuss about sense organs. Before going further, I would like to ask, how do you know what is happening around us? Okay, wait, I am telling. Our body is most amazing machine in the world and we have 5 ways to know about the things. These are called senses. These 5 senses are sight, hearing, smell, touch and taste. 5 parts of our body that help us to sense are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These parts of our body are called sense organs. We are able to learn, understand and enjoy all the things around us because of our sense organs. Now let's know about each organ in detail. First sense organ is eyes. Our eyes help us to see the different objects around us. We can see different colors, shapes and size with our eyes. Second organ is ears. We can hear sounds with our ears. We can hear soft as well as loud sound with our ears. Next organ is nose. We can smell good as well as bad things with our nose. We also breathe from our nose. अगर मम्मी ने किचन में मैगी बनाई हो तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि मम्मी ने मैगी बनाई है? Good. From our nose. हम उसकी फ्रेग्रेंस जान सकते हैं. अब अगर हमें ये पता करना हो कि मैगी टेस्टी बनी है कि नहीं, तो हम कौन सा सेंस ऑर्गन यूज करेंगे? Yes, tongue. So, the next sense organ is tongue. We can taste with our tongue. We can taste sweet, salty, sour and bitter taste, as well as spicy things. Fifth and last sense organ is skin. We can feel things with our skin. We can feel hot and cold, soft and hard, and we also feel sharp and blunt things with our skin. These all are sense organs. They are most important part of our body. Do you know how to take care of the sense organs? No? Okay, let's come and know about how to take care of sense organs. Let's talk about eyes first. Our eyes are very delicate sense organ and so they need special care. For the proper care of the eyes, we have to follow certain conditions. We should read in proper light. For this, our table should receive light from a 100-watt bulb fitted to a lamp shade or a table lamp so that light comes from over our left shoulder. This arrangement would provide suitable lighting for reading. We should avoid reading while lying down. We should not read in dim light or in moving car. We should also protect our eyes from dust particles, small stones, injury by blows and sharp instruments. Next is how to take care of ears. Our ears are also delicate organs, so they should be protected from hard blows. If any small objects, insects, etc. accidentally happens to get into the ear, we should go to a doctor to get it removed. We should never try to break our ear canal with toothpick or hairpins, etc. because it may cause an infection in the ear canal. Next is how to take care of nose. You should wash your nose with cold water. Air preserving in washing the nose can improve the blood circulation of the nasal mucosa. Now let's know about how to take care of tongue. You should clean your tongue regularly with a smooth cleaner. This will prevent us from infections. We should also take care of skin. Avoid direct sunlight on the skin. You should wash your skin regularly to keep it neat. So, these are the important ways to protect and take care. Now children, It's your practice time. The question is, match the following senses with related organs. Second question is, look at the picture and name the sense organs. That's it for today. We will meet again in next video. Thanks for watching.